back to my channel. My name is Fatma, and if you're new here, welcome. Enjoy my videos, like, and at least subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome again, and thank you very much. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. Again guys, if you are enjoying what I am doing, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Welcome guys, let's start. So guys, today we are making chicken stew, and here is our chicken. Let's cut it into pieces. Done. Then season it with salt, then squeeze lemon juice on the meat. Then mix very well. Put it on a sufuria to boil for a while. Ingredients are carrots, red onions, tomatoes, green pepper, coriander, ginger, and garlic. After boiling our meat, this is how it looks like. Now let's start frying. Put oil on a sufuria and start frying onions and carrots first. Then add ginger and garlic and mix very well. Then tomatoes and the green bells together. Then mix well and cover it for a while to cook. Let's add pepper, but this is optional. If you don't like pepper, don't add it. And start mixing it very well.
Wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to be somewhere right now. Why are you crying?
Here is another thing. If you want your soup to be thick, this is what you do. Put 2 tablespoons of wheat flour on a bowl, then add little water and mix very well. Then add the mixture to your meat. And mix it very well. Like you see now, your soup is now thick and nice. Now lastly, let's add our coriander leaves and mix well. And our chicken stew is ready. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are a new member, please subscribe and support the channel, and let's grow together. Thank you guys, and goodbye.